38% decrease in the crew cost. And now from our right, you can see the aft doors in the down position. There is a good photo opportunity. Lauren Miller from Salinas, Michigan, performing at Salinas, California. I love that stuff. I told you about the fact that the airplane is a do-anything airplane. It can be a weapon. Also used in the civilian world, the C-130, known as the L-382. About 125 or 35 were built. Many of them have worn out. So they built the L-100 for the civilian companies that need to get deep into the interior of Africa to service the mines, civilian airplanes around the world. Thereby reducing the possibility of being shot at from the ground, but also using as little runway as you have. Down they come. Big balloon tires maintain the weight of the aircraft so they don't dig in. Props go into reverse, and it's all in the day's work. The 165th Airlift Squadron from the Kentucky Air National Guard. They'll probably be looking out the window, so if you want to give them a wave, they will certainly appreciate that. C-130. All the way from Kentucky. By the way, we have one in our spectator area. If you want to get in, pop in and talk to the crew, you can.